Hey, small business owners! Ever wonder if your posts could actually bring in more sales? Let's turn likes into orders, the simple way. First things first, pick the right platform. Instagram? Great for stunning visuals and strong branding. Facebook? Perfect to build trust and connect with your local community. TikTok? Ideal if you're ready to ride the wave of trends and grab attention fast. Now, your content? Keep it 80% value, 20% sell. Think tutorials, behind the scenes, product tips, or real customer love? People buy from brands they know, like, and trust. So show the human side of your business. Don't overthink it. Boost your best posts with just $5 a day. Target the people who matter. And design eye-catching content in minutes with free tools like Canva, Buffer, or even your phone. Let MarketinGear help you turn scrolls into sales. With the right strategy and the right tools, social media becomes your best sales rep, working 24/7. Visit MarketingGear.com and start growing today.